Hi, in this lecture I explain about non-standard chart data. Uh, from here you can select some other candles in other modes. For example, you can select Heikenashi. Where is Heikenashi? Here. You can select Heikenashi. As you see, it changed. Okay. So, for example, how we can get information of, for example, Heikenashi. Okay, Heikenashi. If I wrote correctly. Okay, how we can get information of Heikenashi? Okay, for example, we want to plot Heikenashi kilos on here on this. Okay, let's we use this function. Create a ticker identifier for requesting Heikenashi bar values. Okay, which symbol are current symbols? We use simin for that ticker. Okay, ticker or ticker ID. Let's say ticker ID. Okay, and no need. Okay, then now we have this data. We have to use request that security function. Okay, and let's in recfunc, for example, request that security. Request as security. What is request as? Request the result of an expression from a special context. Okay, symbol and time frame. Okay, we want uh, to get information of this symbol, our current symbol, but Heikenashi current on Heikenashi. Okay, so first thing is our symbol. We calculated this before. Time frame is our current time frame, so we use time frame dot period, and expiration we want to kilos. Okay, we want it open on it plot and kilos of this. And okay, we start plot rec func and color dot, for example, white, and we add these two charts. From here, as you see, line is behind the candles. From here and here, and selecting bring for to front, no line is front of candles. Okay, we can see it better. And here, as you see, these lines, this plot show kilos of Heikenashi. I prove this by selecting Heikenashi. As you see here, this plot is on kilos of that. Okay, now we want to make Heikenashi on separate window. Okay, on separate window. So let's we do this. We know we can extract from a function several values. Okay, so here I will extract O L O C L H. What is these? These are thing. Open, close, high, low. And here I get. Here we don't need to this. We use plot bar. Okay, I explained about plot bar here. Okay, in 24. Okay, in chapter 24. So we use plot candle or plot bar. For example, plot candle. O is O. Our open is O. Is our close high. Our high is H. Our low is L. Our close is C. Okay, and here we change it to overlay to false to show it on separate window. So here we have I can actually in separate windows. So in main in one trading view in one page we have two mode of candles. First, usual main candle, and second is Heiken Ashi candle. Okay, we can write other thing too. For example, ticker the Renko, ticker the Limebread, ticker the Kagi. Okay, we can paint and plot these uh, candles mode too. Okay,